Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, if you are struggling to start rebuilding your credit, okay, and the banks won't give you a credit card, you don't have money for a secured credit card, then I would suggest you probably want to look at this Reflex card. Now, I know a lot of people don't agree with this card because they charge a lot for its like startup fees and annual fees. But as you can see here, their limits start at from 300 up to 1,000. Now, for many people, that may not be a lot, but for a person that may need a few $100s to get their car fixed because they having car issues, or you may need to pay a ticket, a traffic ticket, or you need to pay a utility bill, or even put food on the table, this may be a card that can help you out. Now, I have one other way that you can actually boost your income, so hold on, but I just want you all to understand. Once you start utilizing the card, then after 6 months, once you start making your payments and stuff, after 6 months, they usually will double your limit. Okay, and so if they give you $1,000, they'll double your limit up to $2,000 after 6 months. Okay, now again, because this is not a secured card, you're not putting your money up front. So if you have bad credit, terrible credit, or you just starting out with credit, this may be a card that can actually help you. Now, another thing about this that I like is that it does report to all three major credit bureaus. So again, if you have bad credit, you're just coming out of a bankruptcy and you're trying to rejump your credit, restart your credit, then this is the card that you may want to take a look at. Now, I would also tell you, like they say here, they offer a free monthly credit score. Please keep in mind, this free monthly credit score is usually a Vantage score, a Vantage 3 score. Now, where do you go with a Vantage 3 score? So say that you get this here card, and then after 6 months, your credit score jumps anywhere from a 400 to at least a 620. Where can you go to get more money? So then, if that's the case, then you want to look at an institution like this, BCU, Baxter Credit Union, because they actually look at a Vantage 3 scoring. Okay, and so they make it very easy. Once you join them, and the way you join them is through the Life Money U Foundation. It's $5. And what they'll do, they'll actually waive that $5, but you can actually utilize them since this Reflect card is going to actually give you, this Reflect card is actually going to start giving you your credit score. Now, if you need money right away and you have bad credit, you may want to look at Rise Credit, okay? So they offer anywhere from 500 up to 5,000, all right? So usually there's no hard pull on the credit. As a matter of fact, as you can see here, will not affect your credit score. So if you need a loan, now there's one other thing that you guys could do. Well, that actually is a couple other things that may be much easier. But one main thing you can do if you're working a job, what you could do is you can go to your HR and you can ask your HR, can you file exempt from 3 to 4 months, and so that way they're not taking any taxes out of your check, and that way you're bringing all of your income home, and that'll help you catch up on some bills as well. All right, but for those of you that need a credit card, say that you want to try to start renting a car and stuff like that, and you need a credit card, this here, for those of you that really need a credit card, say that you want to try to start renting a car or renting a hotel and stuff like that, and you don't have a regular credit card, this may be the route to go. That way, at least you have a real credit card you can start utilizing. All right, car may be broke down, you need to rent a car. So now you'll have a real credit card if you're not able to do a secured credit card. So if you have questions, you can click the link in the description, schedule a one-on-one consultation. We help you remove negative items off the credit. Plus, we help you get funding for personal and business as well. Thank you.